Here are 5 examples of widely used AI tools. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google that allows developers to build and train neural networks for a wide range of applications, from computer vision and natural language processing to robotics and self-driving cars. PyTorch. PyTorch is another popular open-source machine learning framework that is widely used for building and training deep neural networks. It offers a dynamic computational graph that allows for more flexibility and ease of use in designing and modifying neural network architectures. OpenAI GPT-3. GPT-3 is a language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating high-quality natural language text. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, automated content generation, and language translation. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a suite of AI-powered tools and services that includes natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. It can be used to build intelligent chatbots, automate customer service, and analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns and insights. Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services. Microsoft Azure offers a range of AI tools and services that can be used for tasks such as image and speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis. These tools can be integrated into a wide range of applications, from chatbots to voice assistants and more. It's important to note that there are many other AI tools available, and the best tool for a particular application will depend on the specific needs and requirements of the project.